Okay, so hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? This is Shubham back with one another video, a very interesting video about my laptop and why I took this particular laptop in this budget segment. So I'll been using this laptop for past 1 month and very good performance, no lag at all, no heating issues at all. So this is the laptop which I'm talking about. This is a Asus ROG G15, okay? So I think it is only one left it's showing. I don't know why it always shows like that. When I was buying in the sale, that time also it was showing the same and now also it was showing the same. Okay, so this laptop is powered by Ryzen 7 4800H CPU power, which is a very good for gaming as well as performance tasks, and you can easily do your day-to-day tasks on this because this machine is for heavy usage. So I got this. Then you get a 8 GB of RAM, which is not enough, but yeah, it is okay. But if you have any more budget, you can upgrade it. Actually, this laptop was also coming with a 16 GB of RAM option, but I didn't went with it because again it was giving a price hike of 5,000, which is not good because you can easily get a 8 GB RAM stick around 3,000 or 4,000. So why to give 5,000 extra for that? So I just went with 8 GB of RAM. And yeah, this is a particular model which I brought, okay? So nothing difference is there. Then you get a 5 and 12 GB of SSD. So SSD is very good for gaming as well as your every task. It gives you a performance boost of 8%. As you guys know, SSD are 8 times faster than normal disks, okay? So 5 and 12 GB is enough or not? So you can check. This is the size which I have created, like partition which I have created, and this is the remaining GBs. So I have installed the GTA 5 and Valorant game and other softwares also. So if you guys don't know, GTA 5 now is of 120 GB and Valorant around 30 or less than that. So you can get a idea about how the storage works. And one more thing, you can upgrade this both things, okay, in future. So that's the good thing. Then you get a Windows 11. The one thing I didn't like is they also had Windows 10 option, which was 2000 to 3000 less price than this. So I wanted to get that Windows 10 laptop because you guys also know that you can easily upgrade from 10 to 11, and this is a home edition which is easily available on the Windows site itself for free. So unfortunately, I didn't got this, sorry, that Windows 10 11 variant. So I went with this one. Then you get a 4 GB of graphic cards. So this is the one thing for which I got this particular laptop, and I was interested in this one only because you get a RTX 3050 and which is a very good CPU, not at that extent max, but yeah, it's a very good. And the one thing which is not mentioned over here is the TGP, that is the total graphic power, which is provided by the power supply of your laptop or anything. And this laptop is having a TGP of 80 plus 15 watts, which is a very good TGP. And in this price segment, I have never seen a laptop which is getting a 95 watts TGP. If you know any laptop which is giving 95 watts TGP with RTX 3050 in this price segment for which I got this laptop, then please comment it down below and I will see what's the like thing is there in that laptop. Okay, so this is not the actual price for what I got. I will show you the price till the end of this video. Please stay connected. Okay, and then you get a 144 hertz display. So one thing I would like to tell you that the thing which I didn't know before getting this laptop, I was searching for 60 hertz display because the prices were less for that one, but I was not getting that product in stock, so hence I went with 144 hertz display, and that is the good thing which I did because I was thinking that I will buy a 60 hertz laptop sorry, 60 hertz display laptop, and then I will mirror the display to another monitor, and I will easily play a high FPS games of 144 hertz and all. So that was the thing I was thinking, but afterwards, after buying this laptop, I got to know that if you have a 144 hertz display in your laptop as a default, then only you can cast your display on another monitor with 144 hertz, or else you can't cast your display with 144 hertz. Okay, so this is the good thing I went with. Then this is the model of my laptop, and this is a 15-inch laptop. If you go with G17, then you will get a 17 inches laptop, and this is the weight of the laptop. If you guys think this is very heavy, then I'll let you know that gaming laptops are literally very heavy, more than 2.5 kgs also. This is a lighter one, not exact lighter, but this is the medium weight you can get, okay? And then I would like to tell you this the look of this laptop. And one thing, you will be not getting any webcam in this box. You can get an external webcam if you want, but I didn't require any webcam, hence I went with this one. Okay, so looks are very good. You get a LED strip on downside, and also you get a RGB keyboard. Okay, and the mouse pad is also pretty big. Oh, this is the video. Then, okay, this is the performance. See, GPU, as I told you, AMD Ryzen 7 4800H with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, 8 GB RAM, 112 GB storage, and this is the back look. And this logo, which you can see, I think it's transparent because it is glowing when I open my laptop, like when I put power on my laptop, okay? So this starts glowing. So that looks very good. Then about the ports, I will tell you in later part. Wait. Okay, see. This is a full HD display, 15.6 inches, as I told you. 144 hertz is the refresh rate. Then the level VIPS level panel. This is a mid-rate level panel. You can say not that good, not that bad. So this was okay. But since I am using a AMOLED display smartphone, so this display looks a little weird for me. But okay, for gaming it's fine, and also for day-to-day tasks. So adaptive sync technology, which is a good type of technology they provide in this segment. Not that good, not that bad again. Okay, so let's get to another slide. Okay, cut edge cooling boost performance. Okay, the thermals are very good because I'm also using a cooling pad downside. So it is giving me very good FPS in games, and the temperature remains very constant around, not around, like less than 80. So that's good. Yeah, noise is also not there of the fans. There is no noise. And see, you have too many vents on this laptop, on back side also and bottom side also, and also on side. So that's good. Then larger size. Yeah, because of there is no camera, you get a very thin bezel. And also this thing which I was going to tell you, the mouse pad. The mouse pad is very big as compared to other laptops. So which helps me to scroll and all very easily. Yeah, Type C charging. You have a Type C charging option also, but it is locked to 100 watts, and you get a inbox charger of 200 watts. So you get a different charger, but if you don't have access to your original charger, you can easily charge with a Type C charger, which is of 100 watts max. Then these are the ports which they give. This is the one more thing which I like about this laptop, because they give all the ports on the back side. Not all, like two ports they provide, two to three ports they provide on the left side, but they don't provide any ports on the right side, which gives me a better experience to use the mouse. And since I'm sitting on my bed and using the laptop, like I have a table which is foldable table, you guys might know that one. So I'm using that one, and there is not that big space for operating my mouse, so I'm using it on high DPI. So it is very easy to use because there is no cable connection on the right side of the laptop. On left side you get two USB ports of 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, and you get a audio combo jack, and then you get a backside, you are getting a USB 3.2 Gen 1 same port. Then you get a Type C port which you can use for charging also, then HDMI port and RJ45 jack, and this is the charging port, okay, on the right side of RJ jack. And also I would like to tell you that if you are trying to d- cast your display using a Type C cable, the internal graphic card is used and not the RTX one. So you need to cast with the HDMI cable, then only you can use the RTX graphic card. So that is the thing I got to know from YouTube. Then you get a 1 month of subscription of Xbox, which I have not claimed it till now, but I know how to claim it and I will claim it in future whenever I want to play the games. And this is the support section. So this is all about my laptop. And as you guys are being there till end, I would like to tell you at what price I got this laptop at. So after including all the discount, I got this laptop for 73,490 rupees. I applied some credit card offers also, and at that time the sale was going on Flipkart before Diwali, and you can see the price graph also over here. So see, the price was low till 75,890 rupees, but after including all the offers, I got it for 73 around. So you can see the graph. So if you guys are wondering what is this graph and what is this extension, how you can get this, so I have already made a video on it which I posted last week, so you can check that video out. There will be a I button over here on the top, you can click on that and visit that. So that was all about my laptop, and please let me know in the comment section which laptop you guys have and what are your budget segment if you are going to buy a new laptop. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, pew pew. Bye bye.